Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Renault Trafic Business. The first thing we need to do is switch on or make sure that Bluetooth is on. So it's on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It may actually show up, but over here, that's picked up the TV in the office. Over here you go to telephone, click on telephone, and you'll see there, if I turn that, we go to pair devices, highlight pair devices, click on. Now this is important, you see there, to pair enter pin 0000, but if you click R and go media, multimedia, like so, it will generate a random pin code, so you don't have to enter anything, all you have to do is agree. So that's pair, and there you go, it's connecting. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Barry's iPhone connected, and there it should, let's see, where's it gone? R and go multimedia connected. That's it done.